Okay, I'm drawing this thing to cut out, trim entities, select trim away on the inside, choose these two curves, or these two lines, and then trim that away, and then just go like to here, and holy shit. Ugh. I don't know why I need these fucking circles and shit in here. Okay, god damn it. Alright, now let me take that and do a motherfucking whole cut thing, you know, length to thickness, and voila. And let's go put one of those, well, not an edge flange, hold on. Those hems on this. Okay, we don't want it that big. Well, this came up with 100. Well, screw it, let's just do it this way first. Put one of these on it and bring it out to like there. Fuck that, I'm gonna reverse this. Choose that, and then we'll put a hem in this. Not at 100, wherever the hell it got that. And we'll mount it on the outside this time. And do it like that. Okay, I'm going to go apply a bend. Using this feature because it looks like the only way to do it, honestly. You know, you really just draw a sketch, you know, where you want it to bend, and sketched horizontal, vertical. That's interesting. Anyway, okay. Exit sketch. That takes us back to our bend command. Okay, and then, you know, it's asking us for a fixed space, so we don't want this space to bend. And 90 degrees is fine. Material inside, bend center line, you know, etc. I use default radius, you know, which we could put our own radius on it. In fact, I think for the fun of it, I'm going to put my own radius on it. And there we go. Now, in the jog command, you know, when you go into this, it wants you to draw basically a line and a single line for the jog, but, you know, once you do, you know, you got these, you know, properties that you can specify. That may be too small, given the bend radius. Keep it to 45 degrees, and that helps. So, you know, again, I can certainly reverse the direction and all that good stuff. So, anyway. Now, something to be noted, you know, on that feature, okay, is that you have this fixed overall length. If I uncheck that, you know, it changes that parameter considerably. You know, so basically, you know, you can see that the fixed overall length is actually out parallel to that projected. But, you know, if I remove that, well, of course the feature is not going to work very well. But, you know, you can kind of see what's going on there a little bit. So if I make that like 90 degrees, you know, remove that, okay, that's going to really shrink that thing back, you know, as opposed to leaving it like that. So, okay, you know, I'm in the break corner command under corners. So it's kind of equivalent to, you know, the fillet command a little bit, you know, in the sense that we can produce fillets or chamfers. You know, these, remember, we drew those in. But it's not quite the same exact command as break corner, because, you know, you really can't select edges to fillet, you know, so that you know, choose chamfer or fillet, and it makes a, you know, just a straight up chamfer. It's not as fancy as the you know, the other command, but again, you know, it's appropriate for sheet metal. So we can
property manager open.
Also had it here, you know, like 20 millimeters. No, but that's gonna give me a problem because of that other feature. Oh wow. That certainly wasn't a very good preview. Huh. Shit. Yeah, that's not a very accurate preview. So anyway, that's to be kept in mind. Another little bug. Alright.